Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log out of the Happn dating app on your smartphone. If you are looking to take a break or switch accounts, we'll guide you through the simple steps to safely log out. It's a very simple process. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Happn app if you haven't already. Once you download the Happn app, find it on your app list and tap to open it. This is the login page of the Happn dating app. I'll log into my account first. Here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Next up, you can see the settings icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now scroll down a bit and here you can see the logout button. You can simply tap on this button to log out of your Happn dating app. So tap on it and there you go. You successfully logged out of your Happn dating app. I hope this helped you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.